Hi Melissa, it's Heather from Pat O'Brien Chevrolet. Wanted to send you a video of the 2016 Jeep Cherokee that you've inquired on. Sometimes it's just a little bit easier to get a feel for the vehicle, kind of give you a whole walk around presentation of it. So this one is kind of exceptional. It's really loaded up with a bunch of different packages, so I'll show you some of the interior features, but the body is in great shape. Just wanted to let you see everything. So you do have heated steering wheel and heated seats. And of course you also have your USB connection. You have the different modes that you can put it in for your drivetrain. It does have the beautiful panoramic power sunroof. Peek in the back seat as well, just so you can kind of see the condition of everything. Hope I don't have too much of a glare. The sun is out shining today, but I know that you're a little bit of a distance from us. I'm coming out, at the drop of a dime might not be so convenient, so I thought this would be helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can always get a hold of me on my cell phone. And I look forward to talking to you about this soon. Thanks, Melissa.